How to restore purchases in Lara Croft Relic Run. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are using Lara Croft Relic Run and want to restore something you previously purchased, firstly open up the Lara Croft game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby screen, tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner to open up this options menu. From here, scroll down and look for this Restore Purchases button, tap on it, and then follow any on-screen instruction that appears on your screen. Wait for your game to verify your previous purchases and you'll be able to restore your purchase right away. Now check your account or inventory to see whatever the purchased items or features have been restored. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.